Hey guys, this is Connor with the UA Custom Shop. Today we're going to talk a little bit about barrel cleaning on your air gun. We sell a couple products to make this a little easier. We sell patches that are pre-cut to size for whatever caliber gun you're shooting. We've got some 30 cal and 25 cal. We also sell the Air Marksman Deadeye pull-through. This makes it super easy to clean your gun in the field or at home, whatever you need to do. Well, that's the one we're going to be using today. And then our preferred solvent for cleaning is Ballistol. We sell that as well. Really any non-petroleum based cleaner works great for the air guns. That's one that we use here in the shop, and we sell that on the website as well. So to use the Deadeye pull through, what you want to do, remove your muzzle device. Either you want to take your moderator off the gun, and then you're going to feed this through with no patch until you see it come out. You want to cock the gun, put it on safe. Feed this through until you see that end come through. You pull the loop through, take one of your patches, a little Ballistol on it, put this through the loop, and then all you have to do is pull this end through. So this gun has been shot quite a bit, so that first patch is going to be pretty dirty. Usually we'll do a wet patch and then a couple dry and then another wet as we need to. On your slug setups like this gun, you run to clean at least every 10 for sure, probably every 3 to 400 rounds. If you're running a pellet setup, probably clean every 10, half a 10 or so, just kind of depends. Okay, and that's the process to clean your gun with the pull through from an Air Marksman. All this stuff's on our website. If you have any questions, give us a call.